guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing as well as trying Beatgang Beauty products. So if you would like to see how I got this look or see what they sent over, then just stay tuned. So Beatgang Beauty used to be called Beatgang Lashes, but now they have expanded into cosmetics. So they have done a little bit of rebranding and now are calling themselves Beatgang Beauty. I know the owner of this brand personally. We went to high school together. She is just so amazing, so sweet, and she is out in LA doing her thing, and I could not be more proud of her. She sent over this sweet little note that says, Bria, thanks for your beautiful looks and creating. Let us know your thoughts. XO Nikki. So yeah, let's jump into what they sent over, and then we will do a makeup tutorial using all of the products. All right, so the first product they sent over is this little 9-shade palette. This is called the Eclipse palette. Comes with a mirror, and it is so gorgeous, you guys, and super pigmented. When I first applied this, I was like, holy cow, this is super pigmented. Let me hurry up and blend this out. But these shades are so gorgeous, and I am so excited to work with this palette some more. Next, we have two power lip liners, one in the shade New York and one in the shade It Girl. We have some Beatgang lashes. I actually have these on today. These are in the style First Class, and I am so obsessed. And last but not least, we have the Beatgang Beauty lip gloss in the shade Icon, and this is so moisturizing feeling. I am already obsessed. Got the little Nikki Scott signature there. So pretty, and it looks a little something like that. It's a beautiful peachy nude. Well, you guys, without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial using the Beatgang Beauty products. Okay, so I just got home from a coffee date with one of my good friends that I've known forever, so I ripped off the lashes that I had on. And now I'm just applying a little bit of concealer to have a good base for the eyeshadow that we're gonna put down. My voice is really weak today, you guys. I am getting over yet another cold. It's like we cannot catch a break over here. All right, so this is called the Eclipse palette, and it is so beautiful. There's so many shades that I wanna use. This is so gorgeous. I think what I'm gonna use first is this pinky shade right here. The outfit that I am wearing today has a little bit of pink in it, so this will look really cute. I am just going to, whoa, this is pigmented. I am just going to add this up in this area right above my crease and ever so slightly blend that out. I think just to kind of mute the top brow bone area, I'm gonna take this peachy shade right here, really dust the excess off, and just very lightly blend the top of that shade. This is blending out like a dream. Wow. Okay, so I am gonna take the tiniest bit of this shimmer right here, just the tiniest bit of that, and place it right there. All right, so I am going to take this darkest brown shade right in the middle of the palette, and we are going to apply that right into our crease area and on the outer corner of the eye. It is so windy here, you guys. My house literally feels like it's going to fall down. Oh my God. It's like scaring me. I'm like trying to figure out if I'm hearing wind or if that's like tornado sirens. Do I need to take cover? What is going on? Watch there be like a tornado like headed my way, and I'm just sitting here beating my face with Beatgang Beauty. That's most Oklahomans for you though, like completely unbothered by weather here because it's completely crazy 24/7. One day it will be raining with a bunch of tornadoes, the next day it'll be snowing, and then the day after that it'll be brutally hot. All right, like so. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of the black from that palette, just a very, very tiny amount. And I am just going to place this right on the outer portion of the eye just to really deepen it up even more. All right, so now to kind of phase us out of this brown that we have on this outer corner area, I'm going to take this brown right here and we're just going to apply that right next to that outer corner area. Just kind of blend those two together. Start transitioning out of that dark color. All right, and now I'm gonna go back in with that pink shade. And then to finish off our inner corner area as well as that inner lid, I'm gonna go back in with that shimmer shade that we used a little bit on our brow bone. And I'm gonna really pack this on. Okay, I'm going in with Urban Decay's Faux Dough 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This has a slight pinky tint to it, so I think it'll be really, really pretty in our waterline area. Okay, so I changed my mind. I'm going in with Beige Flag, and I'm just putting that into my waterline. I didn't really like how Faux Dough looked in the waterline area. I feel like for me personally, that is more of an inner corner brow bone highlight pencil. Not saying you can't use it in your waterline. I don't know. I just wanted something a little bit more matte. So there is that. Now I'm going to go back into that Eclipse palette. And I think what I'm going to do is bring that pink on down. I might even go in with a little bit of this peach shade just to further blend it. Next, we're gonna be adding these Beatgang lashes. These are in the style First Class. You guys, no joke, I have 2 of this same exact style in my lash drawer. That's how good they are. So I'm gonna open these up and use these because who doesn't love a fresh pair of lashes on the eye? But yes, these are so fluffy, so gorgeous. I am forever in love with Beatgang lashes. All right, and I'm just going to apply these to my eye. So fluffy, so fun. These are just so gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Power Lip Liner. This is in the shade New York. I'm just going to line my lips. Now I'm going in with the It Girl lip liner and double lining my lips. Putting this one on the inner lip. And then we're gonna go in with the Beatgang Lip Gloss in Icon. And here is the final look using all of the Beatgang Beauty products. I just want to say a big thank you to Beatgang for sending me all of these products to try. You guys definitely go check them out at beatgangbeauty.com. Not only will you be supporting a Black-owned small business, but you will be supporting a woman, a mother, and someone who I personally know. Nikki is so sweet. I just love her to death. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.